Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So we're on another job, and originally I had bid this giant 2-story house, and she talked it over with her husband, and they said it was a little bit too high, more than they wanted to pay for paint. So instead of just telling me no and looking for another price, they decided that they wanted to go with my work, and they want to know what it would cost to just get the front done and or just the trim throughout the entire house and not spray the body of the remaining 3 sides of the house. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my estimating guide, I'm going to go measure everything out, and we're going to give her an itemized price sheet, and then we're going to go from there. And if you guys are interested in my estimating sheet and like that I use, I'll leave it linked in the description. It's free downloadable estimating sheet with everything filled out, or you know what I'm saying. Check it out, it's in the link in the description below. And let's do this. All right. This is the house right here. Hi, is your mom home? Can you tell her the painter's here? Oh, I'm the painter. I'm the painter. Supposed to be here.
My daughter doesn't look at my phone. I can tell because I'm on like pictures that are not important to me.
Old ones.
Is
that yours?
Yep, that's my gray truck.
Work trucking over there. He's painting. Can't you tell by his clothes?
Yep, painting.
Oh my god, I gotta just go over the back out because she's killing me. Okay.
Here's my dad.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, so this is what I think. So, please stop. The pillars, like the stucco part and the wood part, and like not the shutters, like those things that are around the windows, like
Little pop outs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think like see how I like how it's like those are all like a cream kind of color.
Okay, so all the pop outs would be cream.
And like so and
the pillars.
And the pillars, right? And then the wood parts, like the slatted parts on the top.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what's that called.
So that would be the gable.
Okay, so the gables, I think more like I'll send you a different picture. It's cleaner. Where it is like, my mom calls it toffee. I don't. It's like a different color though. It's not the same cream color. So it still is a little bit darker than what the actual house color is.
I see. Okay.
Right. So then that would be one. Well, the white, 2 with those gables.
Triangles. Yep.
And then the shutters and the door. My husband wants to do like, I guess like a coffee kind of color, like a really dark brown kind of color.
Okay.
That's what he wants to do. I was like, I don't want black, so pick a different shade.
Okay.
Right? So
yeah.
I'll show you my couch. He looks like that color in my couch.
I know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I was like, okay, so that's what he is thinking for those things, right? So all like the gutters and everything, those would all be the cream color.
And then the body would be that green olive color, right?
Well, he doesn't want to paint the body part. I want like 2 quotes. So if that's the case,
okay, I see what you're saying.
So if you tell me,
so do everything but the body.
Yes.
And then everything with just the whole front.
Yes. So like
okay.
I want you to give me like one that has like here's for all the things we're talking about.
The pop outs, the shutters,
yeah.
the extra.
Yeah.
Not the stucco.
Yes. And then give me another one that has like the stucco included, like a beige kind of like a tan color.
Okay.
Not like some, because I don't want it to be like, hello, this is a different color than the sides of the house are or anything else. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
So what do you think? Like, is that super crazy?
No. That's doable. Okay. That's totally doable.
And I think that there's more. I don't know if he didn't tell me those things have to be like. See how so Amy and them just painted their house right before they sold it not that long ago, like maybe a year ago, and then so they painted all of their things. There's not that many. I think there's like, well, obviously there's one right here, and I don't really care if the ones at the back of the house get done. There's like stupid pop outs back there too, like which is like an inner tube or something. It's kind of like when the guy who explained to me what it is on the inside of it, talking about the windows, and he was like, well, it's kind of like. You know those noodles you use in the pool? That's what they make, and then they just put the shit on the outside of it. They cut it to fit the space, and then they just stucco over it.
Yeah, it's styrofoam.
Like, seriously, that's I thought it'd be like something, like is there a piece of wood there? He's like, they wouldn't waste wood on that.
It's styrofoam.
Yeah, it's crazy shit, right? Like, that just seems so weird to me.
Yep.
So I'm guessing, like, if you're going to do them, I don't really care if there's only a couple in the back. But
you want to do the 3 sides?
Yeah, because for the
pop outs.
Yes.
Okay.
Which is, I think, so there's like one right here, and I don't know if it's, I'm guessing it's on this side too.
So the gutters and the trim are going to be a cream color.
Cream color, yeah.
Okay. And you want me to go all the way around, right?
Cream color.
On the trim.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I think there's only like instead of one on that side, and I don't know.
But you're not really concerned about the back, is what you're saying. Okay. So, just a couple over here.
Because right, it'd be weird if they were a different color on one side than the other side, right? It'd be weird if they were not painted on this side when you can see it when you come in, right?
Yeah.
See, we're on the same page.
No, we're on the same page. I'm feeling it.
Even though I like speak a different language, I'm like, I don't know
I'm
shit about paint.
I'm picking up what you're putting
I don't
down.
know, like,
All right, just brighten up the front.
yes.
I mean, you know, stucco doesn't necessarily have to be painted. I mean,
Yeah.
you give it a pressure wash,
Yeah.
you know, clean it.
And he said that, and honestly, because we don't know what color it is anyway. And I'm like, I think that's like whatever's underneath there. It's like a tan, like boring color. But he's like, so just see how much it would be like to just do something similar color on the front, like for so like the two of them. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
one's for all the accessories. That's what I call them. I guess it's not what you call them.
I guess they'd be like accents, I guess.
Yes, right. Kind of.
Right.
I look at like your earrings and your shoes
Yeah,
and
sort
those
of,
kind of things, right?
Both start with the same letters,
Of course,
you know.
right? And then the other one would be like the whole dress.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Cool. Well, let me go through
Yeah.
and I'll fill out my little
Yep.
form and we'll
Just let me know.
try to get a little ballpark going.
That would be awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cool. You're welcome. All right, guys. So we filled out the sheet with the information that she gave us here, and we're gonna go home, crunch the numbers, convert all the values into hours, and then all the hours into money. And if you guys are interested in how I'm going to do that, you'll have to get the free estimating guide in the description below. It has all the instructions and everything, and I hope that I help you guys out. But thanks for watching. If you made it this far, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.